I want to talk to you for a few minutes about business interruption insurance, especially in the face of the shutdowns that we've seen over the last several months. To begin with, many insurance carriers are telling their clients that there is no coverage, don't apply, don't even get your policy. We've seen that happen from local businesses that have been talking to their agents and calling their agents and saying, do I have coverage? And the agents are saying, no coverage, no coverage, no coverage. I'm here to tell you that it's not quite that simple. I'm telling every one of my clients, every last one of them, to demand a copy of any policies that might apply. Typically, that's a commercial general insurance policy, but there are other policies that could apply. There are specialty policies that could apply, and it could make a big difference to businesses in the face of the shutdowns that we've seen due to court orders related to COVID and related to use of hospital resources. I said that very carefully for a reason. One of the things that a lawyer must do in these situations is pull the policies and read the policies. Now, you may look at a policy and say, well, I just don't know if this applies or not. I mean, what is a physical loss? What does a physical loss mean in this situation? I'm here to tell you that a physical loss, it is one of those terms of art that have been litigated over a long period of time. Insurance contracts aren't like other contracts. Insurance contracts have been litigated for years, year in and year out, and some of these words have very specific meanings, and they're not what you necessarily think that they might be. So, if you have a physical loss under commercial general policy, most people think, well, that means if the building burns down. Yes, it does. That means if there's a tornado. Yes, it does. But it can also mean something more. It can also mean the loss of use of the property. The loss of use of the property can be a physical loss of the property if it is something that is mandated from the outside. So many times, the insurance agents and the insurance industry they've been saying, well, there's no physical loss as a result of these shutdowns. We're finding that there actually is a physical loss under the existing case law. After that, we have to go to another level, and the other level is dealing with the exclusions. Sometimes viruses are excluded. Sometimes other factors that sound like viruses but aren't necessarily viruses may be excluded. It's really important in these situations for your lawyer to look at the wording. The reason it's important is insurance contracts are written by the insurance company, and any ambiguities in those policies are held against the insurance companies. Because of that, because it's held against the insurance company, we can have the same wording in different parts of the policy and in different things. It can lean toward coverage if we have ambiguities in two different sections. It can be read in such a way as it creates coverage under one and does not exclude it under the other. So it's critical for your lawyer to take a really good hard look at the case law in determining whether or not these insurance policies create coverage or don't create coverage.